Hello, today I will show you my demo model that I built using TM1 and R through REST API. So the logic in the model is, so we have an actual sales quantity data, and we have also the sales quantity forecast by the controlling team. So this is the forecast, this is the manual forecast based on Excel data by controlling team. What we are going to do is we will run a forecast based on this actual trend, and we will generate a time series forecast on top of this controlling forecast. So the purpose is to make a comparison point for the controlling team. So this is the descriptive analytics part. So this is the actual data, and this is the predictive parts. So currently this data is prepared by the controlling team, and we will generate a time series forecasting using this actual data in order to give a verify or analyze point for the controlling team. What I am going to do is, when we push a button in here, so using an R package called TM1 R will get all historical data into R from TM1 to R through REST API, and it will build prediction models with this model. So this is the model that we decided to use, and it will make predictions for the future periods in R, and then it will send back to TM1 through REST API. Let me show you the demo. So this is our forecast tree. So I will send data for the forecast tree. So this is the actual data that will be sent, and it will generate forecast for the next 3 months, and it will be put in here so that we can compare it. So now this is our time series forecasting based on this actual data. It will say that the forecast by controlling team may be lower, so maybe they can consider to increase it because actual trend shows that the future sales quantities will be like this for the next 3 months. What I am doing, pushing this button, let me show you the web sheet. I am actually running a TM1 process, and let me show you the process. And this process is taking the parameters from web sheet, and it's just running an R script called forecast R and sending the data, sending the parameters year and version. And let me show what I am running for the forecast R. This is my forecast R script. It's loading the forecast library for time series forecasting and TM1 R library. This is the package for the integration between TM1 and R, and it is on CRAN called TM1 R. And it is getting the arguments from command prompt for the year and version. And it is first generating a connection to the time series instance in TM1. So this is our instance. So we are generating a connection object, and we are getting a native view from TM1 to R as a data. And let me show you this view. So this is the view that we are getting from TM1 to R for product family detail. So we are getting sales quantity data in product family detail, and then we are generating a number of months to use. And then for each product family, I am building a time series object in R, and I am building an RMM model with these parameters with 12 months of seasonality, and we are generating forecast, and then we are sending data back to TM1 using this TM1 send data function in R. So, and for example, if we select forecast 2, so what R will do in this case, through REST API, it will get the actual data for product family detail, and it will generate 6 months of forecast based on this actual data. So we can also run this script for forecast 2. So yeah, we got it. So this is our time series forecasting based on this actual data. So this script is running through fully for REST API using TM1 R package in R, and it it is a package for the integration between TM1 and R, and this is the documentation of TM1 R package, and we have quite some number of functions to access TM1 objects. We can create elements, subsets, views, we can delete some objects, and we can get some metadata information as well as the view, both Mendix view and native view, and we can run chores and process, and we can send data, and we can send a bulk of data. So this is our demo that we built using TM1 and R.